The OnePlus 15 are going to fully unveil on December 17th in India. OnePlus 15 are come in absolute black, sandstorm, and mist purple. The 15R features a flat frame and a camera module set at a 45-degree angle in the top left corner. Include IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. The phone will get a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel, which supports an adaptive refresh rate of up to 165 Hz. The phone would have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. Talking about the camera, Sony's 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. A 16MP selfie sensor on the front. The OnePlus 15R could feature a 7,800 mAh battery with support for 120W fast charging. The phone could be launched in India at a price ranging from approximately 32,000 Indian rupees. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.